Hello and welcome to Leon's Lockpad. I've got 3 locks for us today. But before I do that, if you're new to this channel and you're new to lockpicking, please check out www.uklocksport.co.uk. And if you like content like this, click on that subscribe button and click on the bell icon, because I do at least 2 to 3 videos per week with all different types of content, obviously to do with locks. If it's not from lockpicking, it's from making pins to reviews to all lock related stuff. Also, if you go to About My Channel, there's a great list of pickers on there. Check them out if you like. Absolutely fantastic videos. Great content for all types of things. Great lads. But let's get on with this. So what we've got is a cabinet lock. Now, I do have the key for this, I just don't know where I put it. It's a pin tumbler, it's not a wafer lock. I got this come with it in the package with the locks from Trekmaster 30. What else we got? We got another cabinet lock. This is a wafer lock though, this one. We do have the key for this. As you can see, there's the bit in, but it's not a double-sided wafer lock, it's just a single. As you see, it does work absolutely fine. And last but not least, that came from Black Dolphin 90, including this bike lock. This is rubber bike lock. I like doing these because I like to show people what not to buy for their kids' bikes, because terrible locks. This is another wafer lock. It's definitely not pins. There's the key, and there is the bitting. But we have a problem with this one. The key fits, but does not turn. And the key, it seems it does not go all the way in. And it's only one way, but whatever it is, it will not go in any further than that point. But we'll see what we can do. Let's get picking. Let me a second. Let's have a look. Where this is, normally you can put. There we go. Pins are up there. Some pick kits are like you can get the little tweezers, and what they do is they open this for you and tension it while you get in there and pick. But with it not being a very complicated lock, I can get away with using an ordinary tension wrench. Homemade tension wrench was an Allen key. Got grinded down and plastic dipped. And I'm using a beautiful hook that I got off Trekmaster 30. Let's run it through. Yep, there we go. And let's see what we're doing now. Can't see. I put it. Yeah, I was just making sure I put this lock the actual right way. I couldn't tell. I'll look out, click out number 1, I think. Let me just see if I can find a better tension wrench, because I have opened this before. There's something that'll, there we go, that might be a little bit better. A little click. I think that was number 1. Oh, and there we go. We're open. Not too bad. Let's go for the next one. So No, these I do these that way, right? This is a wafer lock. Now with wafer locks, you have to be if you're new to picking, you have to be careful with wafer locks. They're actually very easy to pick compared to pin tumblers, but the only thing I've got to say about these is you gotta be really careful, because what it is, these are not pins. These are the wafers. They're like bars that go across in a line. So like you get one there, one there, one there, one there, and obviously you push them down, but they're thingy. You just got to be careful. You can damage them quite easily. Yeah, it's not going to work. That's not going to work. There we go. That'll work, and I need to use a different. I need to use a different one for that. Wait a minute, nope. That's going to get unlocked. Let's change the view. There we go. Okay, and there we go. It's the first one. What we'll do is I'm going to redo that again. There we go. Let's give it a reset, just in case that was just pure fluke. And you when you're picking wafers, you know, you can use the ball picks or the snowman pick, which I'll show you that in a minute. I use a hook. Oh, there we go again. Oh, yeah, we opened it. This is a snowman pick you use for wafers. More gentle on the wafers when you can use them. But if you use a hook, as long as your hook is not too sharp, you should be absolutely fine. Right, we've got this bite lock to go. I'm going to have to do this in the hand. Let's have a look at the wafers I've got there. Let's see. What type of wrench do I need for this? Over at the top and at the bottom. There we go. We'll try it like this. Like I said, the key doesn't go all the way in on this one. I have no idea why, and you can't really strip this. Oh, there we go. We're undone, as you see. So it can be picked, and it will go back in, but for some reason it's just not happy with key. Bugger, dropped one. Give me a second. Let me just see if I can reset these. No, it's with it being a cheap bite lock. The wafers are just knackered. But yeah, this type of lock, don't buy these for your children's bikes or for your own bikes. They're absolute junk. And do you know what, even worse, unlike this, if someone has been messing with it and you can't get your key in no more, and especially if you don't know how to pick, then you're stuck. We're trying to get it off until you get a screwdriver in there and just twist it all around. But yeah, stay away from these type of locks. But if you want to buy these locks to practice picking on, and there's some bite locks, even though they're cheap. The actual wafer ones, I've got another one behind me, a big one, so it's got a really big keyway. It's a really nice pick for practicing on wafer locks. It's just using for security. He's absolutely useless. Don't bother. But not too bad. Like I say, fun little picks. Thought I'd get them out of the way, you know, because sometimes, you know, they get left gathering dust, and you know, people send them me, so you know, get them on video and get them picked. Well, just sort this out. Thank you very much for watching. Please subscribe, Bye. Don't forget to give a like.